Mga exporter sa paglakas ng piso kontra
Ang
dollar.
pinakamalaking export natin is OFW. Export yan eh. Export side yan. Oh, kaya kontra ako sa RH dahil dyan. Ang magpapalago ng bansa natin ay yung excess population natin, sinanay natin na tumatanggap ng mga trabaho abroad that others do not want to handle. We have to accept that. Korea started that way. My vote is against the RH, the Reproductive Health Bill.
So sir, kahit tanggapin ng inyong mga proposed amendments,
Kahit natanggapin yung aking mga proposal, not because of religion, not because of morality, but because of my long-term assessment of what this bill will do to the country. Kayong mga kabataan dito, tandaan ninyo ito, because I'll not be here when things will happen. But it is my duty as a leader of this country to vote according to my notion of what is good for it. I do not say that I am right, that I am the only one right. I do not say that. But that is my perception. And I vote according to my perception.
amendments dun sa RH bill, kung ang talagang boto nyo pa rin naman is
Just to show them that we are not delaying it, and we want to refine it. Oh.
Sir, paano pag tinanggap po yung proposal ninyo?
And to tell you the truth, my purpose in proposing some of my amendments is to show to the people that this bill is not really all for the health of the women. It is a population control and management. Control and management of population naramdaman ko na yun eh. Hindi ba every time I touch on population tumatalon si Senator Pia Cayetano? Oh. Pumipiyak. She screams sometimes.